A millionaire developer stands accused in a number of heinous sex crimes involving a child. But today the judge accused the attorneys involved in the case of equally bad behavior. Here's Local 10 News investigator Bob Norman.
But this case has gotten utterly ridiculous.
Judge Michael Rothschild had had enough. At a hearing today in the sex crimes case of millionaire developer Louis Bianculli, he struck out at the attorneys, including high-priced defense lawyers Herb Cohen and Jane Weintraub and prosecutor Katie Bogenschutz.
The behavior of the lawyers in this case has almost become as terrible as the allegations made in this case. And yes, I said that on the record.
At the heart of the judge's complaints was a recent deposition with the victim, Bianculli's former stepdaughter, whom he allegedly sexually abused and tortured for several years, beginning when she was 12. When the victim compared attorney Cohen to Bianculli, the lawyer cursed at her, saying "blank you," before apparently referring to Bianculli, his own client, as a, quote, rapist. "Blank her and all of you people, okay?" he said. "I'm not a criminal and not a blanking rapist. You understand?"
We have that you told the sex abuse victim, F
That
you.
is absolutely a lie. I never said anything to this girl, nor would I.
Cohen claimed the victim was out of earshot when he said the word, something disputed by her family. You're saying you did not call your client a
No way,
rapist
shape, or form.
and a child molester?
Absolutely not. And he's not guilty of these charges.
Rothschild seemed more concerned about the transcript of Cohen's meltdown, which he had sealed going public, saying it could poison the trial. He even threatened to throw Bogenschutz off the case.
Maybe you shouldn't be the one prosecuting this case. And if that needs to be done, I will take that step.
Rothschild then took the attorneys behind closed doors to dress them down. Bob Norman, Local 10 News.
And Bob tells us that he received the transcript confidentially and that it did not come from anyone connected to the state attorney's office. Prosecutor Bogenschutz said in open court that she intends to file a bar complaint against Cohen for his behavior at the deposition.